Hello everyone, here we have a quick tutorial on how to put my Valentine heart boxes together. The bottom part of the box, the sides, the top ring, and the lid with the backing. So the lid and the backing are the only ones who are going to need a little bit of glue. What I do is I take the top part of the lid and the top ring, clamp them together. This is just to line things up so we can apply the backing. We're going to add a little bit of glue, use some Gorilla Glue in here, to the back of the design, and then apply the backing to it. Now that it's all glued together, we're ready to put the box all together, assemble it. Here we have the bottom part. I added a little bit of jewelry liner in there just to make the inside look really nice. And then we start applying the side of the heart, and then all clamps up nice and tightly. You're not going to need any more glue in there. And then we do the same with the other side of the box. Just a reminder, I have a list of all the materials and everything else that was used to make this box and the comment section in there, so you're welcome to go and click in the links, and hopefully that will be helpful for you. Here you have the box. Perfect. We're just going to add the top ring, and that brings it all together. Once we add the ring, the box is very sturdy. And again, it doesn't have any other, the box itself doesn't have any glue. The only part that has glue is the lid. At this point, we're basically done. And look at this. It's looking just perfect. This box is one of my favorite parts, my favorite pieces so far. We have the lid all together, and that is exactly just to engrave whatever the customer wants in there, whatever you want. And we just put the lid. That backing part is going to line up with the inside of the box. Here we have, everything looks perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.